This is Greg Troutwine with Offshore Engineer TV. We're here today with Charlie Noers of the Wago Corporation. And first and foremost, Charlie, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having us here at the Offshore Technology Show.
Absolutely. So Charlie, just to start off, can you give us your title and your area of responsibility with Wago?
Yeah, thanks. I am the product manager for the industrial automation at Wago, so I cover North America for things like our I/O platform, HMIs, and things like Ethernet switches.
Okay. So Charlie, I'm sure many of the people watching this know the Wago name, but for those who might not, can you give us a brief overview of Wago and its offering to the offshore market?
Yeah, Wago actually started with the invention of the cage clamp for wiring interconnection. So the big advantage of the cage clamp, it eliminates loose wires. So very important in offshore technology where you can put together your control panel and not ensure that you're not having any loose wiring in the cabinet. But we've expanded on that, so we have terminal blocks that we use those technologies in, plus all of our industrial PLCs and I/O also use that same technology. And then we have a wide offering of products, as I mentioned, for things like our Ethernet switches, terminal blocks, interface. All those products will use that cage clamp technology.
Spectacular. So I understand that you're introducing a new PLC controller functionality. Can you give us an overview of exactly what that is?
Yeah, so we offer a line of PLCs, and so this year we've introduced a new functionality in our, which we call our PFC 200 platform, and with the I guess this digital age, the digital transformation that we're seeing in the offshore industry, where people are trying to get information from their devices up to the cloud or a SCADA system in a very simple way. So we've added some functionality inside of our PLCs that have our PLCs have the MQTT protocol built in. And then on top of that, this year we've added what we call the Sparkplug-B protocol, which adds some more definition to MQTT for the industrial market. So that new functionality is in our PLCs to make it easier to get information right from the plant floor device up to a SCADA system or to a cloud system.
Now, is this solution, is this specific to offshore energy, or is this across many industries?
Yeah, it really can be used across many industries. So we're just seeing many different industries are looking for trying to get that data, take advantage of cloud services or SCADA systems, so they can get that information from the plant floor and disseminate it to across their organization. So we're seeing many industries doing that, but we're also seeing that in the offshore industry.
Okay. So when you look at the offshore energy industry today, where do you see opportunity?
Yeah, it's just about everywhere. You can go throughout the OTC show and you see a lot of people are trying to get or getting information from either even simple equipment, trying to get it up to the cloud so that they can do a lot of analytics on it to make sure that it's running as it should be. Plus also use that data for condition-based monitoring to know more about the equipment when it should be maintained.
My name's Jason Schmid. I am the product manager for electronic interface, and my area of expertise is the technical expert for these products, as well as responsible for the marketing aspect of these products.
Okay. We understand that here in Houston you're introducing some new power supply technology.
That's correct.
Why don't you tell us about that?
Yeah, you got it. So we're very excited to launch our new Pro 2 series power supplies. We're really targeting heavily all the entire industrial automation industry, but they have some really unique features for the offshore industry as well. Some of these features include very high efficiency, so you can reduce your cabinet space and have save a lot of energy costs. This also leads to reliability, so you can imagine on these rigs, not a lot of failures are acceptable. We're turning into some communication opportunities, so we're ready for the digitalization and the IoT era. More data means more information for our customers. Yeah, and included we have some unique selling points, such as an internal electronic circuit breaker that can maybe reduce some costs and some installation time for our customers as well.
Obviously, any product launch is a big investment. Can you tell us a little bit about why was this created, or why was this product upgraded?
Yeah, of course. So Wago has always had power supplies. we have had many of them for years, but we've had a product gap at the higher end. So we took a heavy investment and we took the opportunity to now become the industry leader in both size and features. And we really think that the investment will pay off to keep up with our automation products and still be seen as an industry leader of innovative technologies for this type of product.
Jason, you've been very gracious with your time. We appreciate you coming by.
Thanks for having me, Greg.
This is Greg Troutwine with Offshore Engineer TV.